Friends, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Christine, and today is the day. I have been steeping this, which is my fire cider, for 4 months. So today's the day we're gonna strain it off and start sipping on it as we travel. So we like to keep our immune system up, and this is a super way to do it. So I'll let you know the ingredients, but I thought I'd bring you with while my exciting day is here. So come on with. Okay friends, so this is what I've been steeping for 4 months, and I will leave the ingredients, but it basically is, it's apple cider vinegar, cinnamon sticks, turmeric root, ginger root, and crushed red pepper. So there's so many different concoctions of fire cider, but this is the one that definitely is drinkable. You can add a little bit of sparkling to it to make it a spritzer, but it's definitely more refreshing than having all like the onion and garlic and things like that. And it still has medicinal purposes. So I have my bowl out here with my sieve, and I'm hoping not to make too much of a mess, and I'm hoping to have enough cheesecloth. So I am going to get this in here, and we're gonna strain one at a time and see how much liquid we have. And then I have my little handy dandy funnel here, thanks to my neighbor, and then a fun little jar to put it in, a little bottle I thought we could travel with, and then I'm not sure how much I'm gonna yield, so I have the taller, like 20-ounce ones. Not quite the 32-ounce, but they're the 20-ounce. I just figured once we strain everything off, that liquid level is gonna go way down. So here we go. And this is what it looks like inside. And I did top it off once at about 2 months, but all right, here we go. You're hoping to strain all of those pieces out. And, whoa, that looks good. And I might get a scraper. Make sure we get all of that. I've been waiting and waiting for this. Well, this is my little pint jar. Okay, so that's not much liquid at all, so I'm sure I'll be okay. And then let's do the next one. I've had this in a cool, dark spot, which is in my cabinet up above, for 4 months. I really stuffed this one. I don't even think these pieces are coming out. I mean, it actually looks really pretty. But let's see what we can do here. You have to reach in and grab. Well, all the liquid's out, but I'm going to set that aside and not really mess with it too much. So there's that one. And that's definitely yielding more. And then this one, it looks like the level went down on this one, so I might have to change this cheesecloth out. And it was basically like 1.5 of the giant things of cinnamon sticks. Yeah, we're gonna change this out here. And it's basically whatever amount you want to make, and the ingredients that you want to put in it, but the definition of fire cider is it's got the apple cider vinegar in it and all of the other fun goodies, whatever you prefer to put in it. So like I said, I'm making mine really drinkable by utilizing the cinnamon sticks, the apple cider vinegar, the ginger, which I love, the turmeric, which I love, and so forth. So, and the crushed red pepper was the other thing. All right, let me just cut a piece of this. Got one more left. And like I said, I've been waiting for 4 months for this. So we'll see how much we yield out of it. And this will be another one that it's stuck in there. It's kind of funny. And all right, so this one's taken longer to soak through, which is fine. And I did check on it, like I said, at about 2 months, and added a little more of the apple cider vinegar. I think we're all strained out. It's looking pretty good. I still see some liquid there, so I'm going to wait on this one. And wow, it's looking pretty good here. It is, how many ounces? It is 48 ounces. So I should have enough between those jars that I chose. And I'm hoping I can lift this to pour it in. So I might grab a cookie sheet to set underneath just in case I do mess. Okay, so this is the one that we're going to be traveling with, and then the other two are going to be packed away. So I'm going to get this one filled up first. And then I do like to have it chilled. Okay, not too big of a mess so far. And I'll get that in the fridge for a nice chilled effect on it. Okay, and label it. And then we're on to the 20-ounce jars. There's that, and then I actually might just grab a pint jar instead, because I don't think that it will yield that large of a jar. Okay, so I'm pouring this, the rest of this. Okay, awesome. I'm so excited to have this. So I've got the big one we're going to travel with, and then a 20-ounce and a 16-ounce. So I'm going to whip together a quick drink and show you what it looks like. Okay friends, here it is. Super refreshing. So I filled the glass up 3/4 of the way with ice, and then I poured my fire cider on it, and then I added some seltzer water. And it's really refreshing. It's a very hot day today. I'm doing some other cooking, so my house is a little extra warm, and this is exactly what I needed. So I appreciate you coming with me on this 4-month-long journey. And if you like videos like this, hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you next time on Christine's Routines. Take care and God bless. It's really good. My hair's in the way. And I really appreciate you coming with me. And if you like, I'm talking too much. Take care and God bless. As I'm burping through the whole video. I'm burping.